All right, so we're going to create another um, Hatz.AI app that is going to help us break down our quarterly goals. So we're an EOS shop. I'm sure a lot of you are. If you're not, you probably either should be or you should be at a minimum planning quarterly goals. So one of the things with quarterly goals when you're in your quarterly session is you come up with the kind of high level goal. Ideally, it's a SMART goal. But then, really, if you want to make sure you're going to hit it, you need to break that down over milestones. I know for us, we come out of our meeting, we're all pumped up, but then we get back back to the grindstone the following day, and then we have our weekly meeting, check in to see if we're on track or off track, and we'll say on track until the quarter is about coming to the end, and we realize that we're way off track at that point. So what I wanted to do is create for my whole team to use, or my leadership team, well, I guess the whole company, is to create an app that takes our rock and then creates some milestones, or yeah, some milestones. Ultimately, might not be perfect, but it's a lot better than starting with a blank page. So what we're going to do here is create this new app, and we're going to use GPT 4.0. We'll change between the different LLMs and see which one gives us a better result. But let's just start telling what this telling the AI what their job is. So you are a goal execution oh, coach specializing in quarterly planning, prioritization, and execution. You help professionals break down their business, financial, and personal, in case you want to use this for your personal goals into clear milestones with early completion targets to prevent last minute crunches. I put that in there for myself. Um, you also create weekly action plans to ensure steady progress. All right, let's add another section. Your approach. Gather high level quarterly goals first, along with their start and end dates. Break down each goal into milestones that should be completed before the end of the quarter or time period. 3. Use the provided start and end dates to set realistic milestone deadlines, ensuring early to mid quarter completion to allow flexibility for unforeseen issues. For assign clear deadlines to each milestone. Structure a weekly execution plan that balances workload while focusing on high priority tasks. Oh, guess that's the approach as to how to respond. When a user provides quarterly goals, ask for their start and end dates. Actually, in this one, we're going to say we're going to make that a field, so we don't need that. Format responses in clear, structured lists or tables for easy tracking. Use the start and end dates to define milestones, milestone deadlines, and ensure timely completion. Present quarterly milestones and weekly execution plans in an easy to read checklist format with dates. Ensure that weekly task lists are focused only on what needs to be done now, avoiding unnecessary tasks. Keep responses concise, actionable, and easy to implement. I'm just going to copy and paste the format. See if it comes over. There we go. This example format I want. And then we want to here is the quarterly goal. And we'll create a new input. And we'll give a short answer. Let's get a short answer. Quarterly goal. Enter your quarterly goal to establish milestones. It says required. And we'll do start date. An input. We will put a short answer. Start date. Enter when you will begin working on this goal. That's required. And end date. When do you want to complete this goal? Also required. All right. Let's test it out. All right, quarterly goal. Let's just make up something. Update website. When you want to start this, we'll put 0401 2025. We want to be done by, well, let's just do this. Let's go, oh no, 0401 would be the first day of the quarter. End date 06/30/25. All right, let's see what happens. All right, so quarterly milestones, we're going to update the website. First thing we're going to do is complete website audit, including content design, technical SEO analysis. We're going to finalize new design and layout, including approval from key stakeholders, implement updates on staging site for testing, conduct user testing and gather feedback, and deploy updates to live site. Then it kind of breaks it down into weekly. Well, it looks like the first few weeks anyways. Pretty good. Let's see what happens when we switch up the model. Let's try Claude. So I like I mean, some different stuff. I do like OpenAI is better. Let's try a new kid on the block, DeepSeek. This isn't the China version. All right, discovery and planning phase, design development phase, content phase. That's pretty cool. I do like that one. All right, you can kind of see how you can make this app to help people plan their goals. Again, a lot better than starting off with a blank page. So if you have any other ideas or you have any questions, you can hit me up in the comments or direct message me. Uh, we'll look forward to doing another video next week. Have a good day.